I know we done pulled up to the man with the plan house, man. Just like that, we got that thing loaded up.
Yeah, man. He's scared to take shots. He don't like taking shots. He's been sipping on his strawberry lemonade all night.
Damn!
Yeah.
After we done took like 8 shots together. What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught the video yesterday where we finally gave away More Life giveaway and our 100K subscriber giveaway, man. Congratulations again to the winners. But with that being said, man, it's time to move on and get on to what's next, man. We already shipped out our green Road King. That thing is headed to LA, along with my green and blue Road Glide. That thing is headed to LA. So now we just got to get this Road King out of here, the truck and the blue CVO, and then the orange bike in the other truck. But meanwhile, that'll be coming next week, man. So stay tuned for that, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today, man. Today, we're actually about to be going to a car show or something like that, man. So I done already got dressed and all the above. So I'm actually about to hop in the whip, get in the wind. But before we do that, man, you guys know we always got something up next, man. I'm giving away my 2022 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the one and only 2022 Road Glide CVO in blue steel, man. We pretty much bust that thing down yesterday. Got the fairing sent out, got the bags in LA already getting color matched and painted up and everything already. So that thing will be done about next week, and we'll get that thing done quick, fast, and in a hurry. So, man, I can't wait for that. Meanwhile, to get in for a chance to win that thing, all it takes is $25, man. $25 can win you this 2022 CVO Road Glide. I ain't gonna hold you, man. This thing is a beast from the Middle East, man. You guys know my style. I can't wait. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now and go get you a movies only patch, and that'll be your entry to the giveaway. Meanwhile, man, we will be getting this thing done and out of here before Christmas, so I can't wait. Now's the time to shine, man. Just for supporting your boy Everything Regular, I could be coming to your door, dropping off this 2022 thing to you on Christmas or right before Christmas, man. You guys know what time it is. Head on over there right now and go get in while you can. Meanwhile, I got the freaking lamb cleaned up and all that this morning already. Took it through a little gas station car wash, and it actually did the trick, man. So we got this thing purty, looking nice, and it's got me feeling nice, man. So I can't wait. Let's hop in this thing and get up out of here, dog. Alrighty, guys, just pulled up to my dog house, man. You guys know what time it is. We about to go to Extreme, go up to the car show for a little bit, pull out that Lemmy. Ooh, I ain't gonna hold you, man. This thing looks so good, cleaned up, dog. I literally haven't seen this thing this clean since the day I bought it. Literally, man. That's what's nuts. That's what's so crazy. But more than anything, we're about to slide today. We're about to slide today. My guy in that joint with the 30s on that thing. You in that thing with the 30s or what, man?
I gotta find my keys.
Oh, man. He said I grabbed the wrong keys today, man. Got so many cars, I done grabbed the wrong key, man. Big Cadillac on here. Y'all see what's going on, man. SSG. It done rained and stuff last night. That's why I went early this morning and got my car washed, man. So for once, my car is looking cleaner than his car. His car is always clean. My car, I be like, just driving. I ain't gonna hold you. I really do. So for once, I'm wilding and styling today, man. It's a movie. Alrighty, guys, we just pulled up. Y'all know I'm not trying to get copyrighted, so we gonna make this quick, fast, and easy, man. Let's check it out. Alrighty, guys, we just pulled up to Delta Tires, man. We got that Big Daddy-O outside. Golly, that thing huge. That thing huge. It make my little truck make like a little truck. Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. Got that Big Daddy. The Big Daddy with the Big Daddies on here. Man, you got some 30s on here. Wow. That's crazy. 30s. 30s on the truck. Yeah, we need some serious suspension work. I think we need to lift up our truck now, man. Automatic doors.
A little bit of oomph to it, you know. So.
Yeah, I like it. Oh, and you got the interior custom up there. Okay. You got all the oohs and ahs right here.
He's got tunes in there.
Yeah, you got the oohs and the ahs up in here, man.
Speakers underneath.
30s on that. He got speakers under the car.
Oh yeah.
This dude got speakers under the car. Yes, sir, man. We just pulled up to the turkey leg hut. Y'all see the whole walls and everything. Real famous walls here. Let's just check it out and see who they got up on here, man. See if y'all know somebody up in this joint. You can go all the way upside down.
This 4-on-1, so I lost.
That's crazy.
If it would be a smile fan,
We out here at the turkey leg going up today, man. Y'all see what it is, dog. I got Wealthy in the cut, man. What's up? Got gang up in here, man. Y'all see what's going on? Cannon in the house, gang over there.
So we have another B2B, man, real quick. You know what I'm saying?
Real player like though on a regular.
That's what I'm saying.
I grabbed them jerk tacos.
My whole thing is with everybody around me.
We gonna see.
You a bodyguard. So that's how I do it.
In the eyes, man. You see what's going on. Alrighty, guys. Later on in the day, man, we just pulled up to the infamous. Y'all see what it is, man. About to get my swing on and my swerve on. About to get up in here. And let's see what's good, man. Y'all know Corey love the kids, man.
You guys sing this to me, Orion.
Look at this. We out here going up, man. Telling you, it's movie. My guy got all the little kids. What's up? What's up?
Y'all stay out of trouble, alright?
Okay. Yes, you are.
That's funny, dog. Tiger Hood is in the house. We got Tiger Hood in here, y'all.
What's up, that song?
Let's see what you got, gang. Is he gonna hit it first try? No.
I went. See that? See that accuracy?
First try? Ooh. Okay.
That's bad, though.
A little. I see it. Kenny, what you got? What you got?
I'm going to this right here.
Kenny, you gonna knock it to the fence back there or what?
No, I'm not to the blue over there.
Oh, to the blue. Okay, the blue is still fair. The blue is still fair, man.
I'm practicing right now, you know what I mean? Hey, Tito, I'm gonna do that thing though. I tell you what, I'm gonna send that bitch down the field.
Let me see what you got, gang.
The yellow, the color though.
The white. What color you want me to hit?
Blue? Hit the blue.
I'm a green person.
Nah.
Put the yellow right here.
Let's see how far you can go.
Nah. Accuracy. Accuracy. Hit that yellow first. Yeah, hit. Y'all think he can hit that yellow right there first try, man? I don't know. He had to switch up the clubs. Let's see.
See how far I hit.
Let's see. That's back. Woo!
I get the show footage right there, man.
Let me check my train.
That bitch so far, yo.
Yeah, you got lucky.
Hey, you ain't the only one that seen that bitch, hold on. You be golfing too? Hey, too. Send that bitch back there.
He was doing his thing last time. He was doing his thing.
Why y'all boys trying to attack me like that, bro?
What? Yeah.
Come on, man. What you got, gang? Let's see.
Oh, that's how I'm gonna send that bitch like that.
Ooh. Ooh. Almost. Yeah. Almost.
I don't know how, I'm just good at everything I do. Shit crazy. Even when I lie, I'm good at it.
Oh my God.
You know, like, you good at everything you do. What are you not good at? I think I ain't even lie good, nigga. It's a joke though. But you take it.
Are you not with that?
Nah, hell nah.
Let's see what you got, man. Is that green? I gotta take this bracelet off. It's gonna hit the field.
Look, let's cut my hand open.
Yeah, so you gonna learn today.
That's my golf. I got
All
you.
that ice.
We trying to get started, y'all. Y'all ready? Salute.
What's up?
Salute. Salute. Whatever y'all say, whatever that shit means.
This means cheers. Look at that screen. Look at that screen.
All right, guys. You know I got gang up in here with me, man.
Period.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, man.
He's scared to take shots.
He don't like taking shots. He's been sipping on his strawberry lemonade all night.
Damn. After we done took like 8 shots together, I feel like we really like we had a whole bottle of Costco.
We're 8 up.
That they threw away.
Why y'all playing with me like that? I thought we was
He
better.
had 3 strawberry
What'd you
lemonades.
say?
Let's get into the taco.
It's good, right?
We gotta get into the taco.
It's good, right?
Tacos are good.
Yeah,
Tastes like Chipotle.
yeah, see, look, I told you it was right, right?
This the shit.
Look, I got gang up in here with me today. They up in here going yay yay. Man, y'all shout yourself out. Where they can follow y'all at?
So they can follow me on Instagram at ABRIBNA.
Okay.
You put the B in there.
It's up. It's up. Where they can follow you at, gang?
Follow me on Instagram, x.fatima.
X.Fatima.
Or TikTok where I really popped in. Fatima.LUBaby.
It's up, man. We out here top golf going up with all the joints and all the oohs and the ahs, man. Y'all see what it is, man. We got gang up in here, man.
I'm a licensed.
Y'all go follow me on Instagram at X_LULJAY and then go subscribe to my YouTube channel at DJ to Danielle.
Yes, sir. All the above. All the
You
above.
follow this account, you watching right now.
Look, it's up. It's
Because
up,
that's really where
man.
it's at.
Yeah, that part. It's moving. Y'all see what's going on. Look at Twin in the cut. Twin got twins. Hey, Twin got twins. Look at that. Twin with twins. Look at that. We got gang up in here. Alrighty, guys. Next day here, man. We had a blast last night, but it's time to get back to work, man. You guys know we got these bikes in the garage, and it's time to get them literally 100%. So the winners can come take delivery of them. So our 2020 CVO Street Glide right here is great. I just want to make sure everything is everything. So everything is checked out and good to go. Got to get the key for this programmed as well. So I'm gonna get the key program for it real quick, and then we'll be able to pick up our yellow bike as well, man. So we're gonna go drop this CVO off. He's gonna program the key for us, pick up our yellow bike, come back, drop that off, and then we might be able to pick this back up later on today, man. So let's get this thing loaded. I ain't loaded nothing on this blue truck in a while, man. So this should be easy. Let's get this thing started up, man. Oh, dang. She's sounding good. She's sounding good, man. She is sounding good. I'm actually about to set y'all up, and we about to load this thing up real quick, gang. Just like that, guys, we got this thing out of here. We'll load it up and ready to go get the key program so we can get it to the winner and they can enjoy this thing just like this on the way back to South Carolina, man. It's a movie. Alrighty, guys, we just pulled up. About to get this thing offloaded real quick and get this show on the road. Y'all see what it is. Alrighty, guys, I know we done pulled up to the man with the plan house, man. Got that yellow thing out there, man. They was waiting on you forever, man.
Hey, man.
He said, look, like, I told him it wasn't you. I told him it wasn't you, man.
He was on back order, man. They finally came through. I had to call him and tell him, man.
Right.
I didn't rush.
Right, huh? Y'all see what's going on, man. Big chain gang back there and all that. Can't wait. Now it's time to go home. Get this speaker in there. Get these speaker covers on there. Storage door covers. And this front piece in this bike is completed and ready to head to Georgia, man. So we about to load this thing up. We got our 2020 right there, about to get reprogrammed with the key real quick, and we'll be good to go. But this thing, let's load it up and head back to the crib, man. Just like that, we got that thing loaded up, ready to go back to the house, get the final ooh and ah effect done to it. Just like that, man, we done pull back up to the house, got this thing ready to go. Now we just got to put our storage door covers on, speaker covers, and this front end. And we good to go, man. I can't wait. So, alrighty, guys, it's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in today, man. We was all over the place today. Car show, homie house, club, after hours, back home, had to go load the bike up, drop it off, and get back here, man. Our blue CVO is getting the key programming stuff right now, so we'll be actually picking that up later on today. So I can't wait for that, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you, man. If you guys missed out on the More Life giveaway and the 100K subscriber bike giveaway, you guys know we're giving away our 2022 CVO Road Glide right here. Yes, man, the one and only, one in blue steel, the 2022 from me to you, man, all for 25 bucks. All you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy your movies only sticker, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. $25 can win you this CVO Road Glide, man. We could be pulling up to your door next right before Christmas, man. You guys know what time it is. Get in while you can. In the meantime, I'm about to get up in here and get this video edit and start the day up again, man. It's a movie.